Game launch blocked by the Unity Newtonsoft JSON module DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll help you fix your rendering pipeline so you can get back to the game. I've linked the primary utility for Unity Newtonsoft JSON module in the description to help you skip the manual fix. This is the Unity Newtonsoft JSON module, a specialized build of the Newtonsoft.json library bundled with the Unity engine. It handles the localized serialization of game-saved data and network messages. If corrupted, the game will fail to load saves or will crash during the initial profile handshake with game servers. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. The Unity Newtonsoft JSON module DLL library is a specialized component of the Unity engine system, and you must reinstall the program you are trying to open to restore the internal file structure if this file is missing. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Unity Newtonsoft JSON module component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of Unity Newtonsoft JSON module DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. If you're addressing Unity Newtonsoft JSON module inconsistencies, the official utility below provides maintenance-related documentation. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for Unity Newtonsoft JSON module, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.